Hello everybody, this is Judy coming to you from my yard, and since the last time I put up a video we've had more ice and more snow. We are now out of electric. We've been out since Monday night, and this is Friday. Now we are out of water. Water has quit running, and this is my granddaughter's car. My daughter's cleaning her car off, and there's ice under this snow, and just wanted to show you all everything that Gus, get down. All the ice. There's treetops out of the trees. They're laying down in the woods. I don't know if you can see that down in there, but we had one up here to Gus to fall out. Charles's blue heelers want me to play with her. Him, get down, boy. This is across the road from my house. See there? That tree. My hands are getting cold. That's our house there, and my car. And this is where my daughter lives. She's cleaning her car off, trying to get the ice off. There's like an inch and a half on it. There's still ice on all the power lines and the phone lines. The phone line come off of our house. It's on the ground, and y'all, that's my mimosa tree out there. We got a little more snow last night. We've got about, I don't know, 3 or 4 inches, maybe a little more of snow. I get up close to my mimosa tree. My hands are getting cold, so I'm going to have to go in. Gus, get down, boy. I'll land on my hind end out here is what I'll do, because there's ice under all this snow. Whoops, I just about went down. Get down, Gus. Oh, hot dog. Oh, love him to death, but he just wants to play and be petted, and yes, I know. Get down, boy. You're gonna knock me down. Gus, I tell you again, boy, I'm going in the house. Look at my mimosa tree, y'all. I just hope it doesn't have limbs fall out of it. That's my favorite tree. My most favorite tree. But this, what's on this tree, is on every tree around here. And it's no wonder that they broke off. The woods, they're laying full. There's people out trying to clean the roads. Look at that. Oh, they're laying down to the ground. Look at that. And then back here, let me go to my deck so I don't fall down that hill there. But everything is absolutely iced over. Oh yeah. I hear that ice under my feet busting. I don't know when I'll get to put this online for you all to see, because Charles had to clean his truck up. He had to start hauling water over to the barn And now the water's not running, but you all, we have a thing called a cistern that we used to have to keep water in here because we didn't get city water till 1984. And that cistern is still there. That's what that picnic table is on. So now, I don't know if you can see that hole. He's drawing water out of that old cistern to give to his horses. Yep. And for what we need in the house, you know, we're going to have to, bathrooms got to be used because we ain't got nowhere to go. Yeah, I know, that's TMI. That's just the back side of our place. He's had to put the horses in the barn. He didn't want them under the trees with the limbs all falling. I don't know if you can see them down there. I don't know. See, can you see all them? Well, that's the way it is all throughout the side of the woods. His fence is down everywhere. My neighbor, my sister-in-law's husband, he's got his horses in his barn. Yeah, you all. I'm gonna get off of here now and get in the house and get my hands warmed up. I want to thank you all for watching. Hugs to you from me, and God bless.